In this video, I am going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone to Google TV. First, ensure that both your Android phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for the devices to communicate effectively. On your Google TV, navigate to the home screen and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Device Preferences, then scroll down and choose Display and Sound. Look for the cast or screen mirroring option and make sure it's turned on. Now, on your Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade. Look for the cast or screen mirroring option, which may be represented by a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol. If you don't see it, you might need to access the Quick Settings menu or search for cast in your settings. Once you tap on cast, your phone will start scanning for available devices. After a few moments, you should see your Google TV listed. Select it to establish the connection. You may see a prompt on your Google TV asking for permission to connect. Confirm it to proceed. After a successful connection, your Android phone's screen will be mirrored on your Google TV. You can now display photos, videos, apps, and other content directly from your phone to your TV screen. To stop screen mirroring, simply go back to the cast option on your phone and select Disconnect or Stop Mirroring. And that's it. You can now easily screen mirror your Android phone to Google TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.